Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Gmail account you'll modify. Once signed in, open Gmail in a desktop browser because you need full settings access. The mobile app is limited. Make sure to back up any important messages or labels now, because the actions that follow can affect search data and filters. Next, click the gear icon and choose See All Settings so you're in the right place to remove saved search elements and any associated filters and search chips. Once you're in Settings, go to Filters and Blocked Addresses to find any filters that automatically run searches or add labels. Delete those filters to stop recurring search behavior. Next, return to the inbox and use the search bar. Click the small arrow to open Advanced Search Criteria, then clear fields and save as needed to remove saved presets. Make sure to also check for smart labels and third-party add-ons, because they can recreate search chips if they remain enabled. To finish, clear your browser cache and autocomplete entries so local suggestions don't reappear. Sign out and back in to confirm changes. Then audit browser extensions and third-party apps that access Gmail and disable any that store searches or metadata. If you still see old search entries, try the same steps in a different browser to rule out local caching. Troubleshooting tip: if duplicates persist, revoke app access in Google Account Security, then reauthorize only the apps you trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.